Donald Trump's lawyers continue to have a very difficult time in court because, to put it frankly, they have no idea what they're even defending. On Monday of this week, one of Donald Trump's government lawyers marched himself into court in front of District Judge Colleen Collar. And Catelli was overseeing a case about, the Department of Government Efficiency, Doge, what authority do they have? Can they do any of the things they're doing? So, because of conflicting reports from the White House that Elon Musk is both in charge of Doge and has nothing to do with Doge, the judge had a simple question for the lawyer. The question was, quote, "Is there an administrator of Doge at the present time?" It's a simple question, right? Like, hey, there's this department. Who's running the damn thing? Is there anybody running it? And this government lawyer looked at the judge and said, "I don't know the answer to that. I don't know the answer to that. Who's running the department? Pff, hell if I know, right? Listen, you're in court basically representing that government agency, and you can't even answer if there is an administrator. She didn't even ask who it was. She just asked, is there one?" I have said this before, and I'm going to have to say it again, just to kind of make my point here. I have worked in a law firm for over 20 years now, with some of the best lawyers in this country, Mike Papantonio, of course, at the very top there. I have personally interviewed many of the living members of the Trial Lawyer Hall of Fame. And for 16 years, maybe 17 at this point, I have been the editor of the Trial Lawyer magazine. Okay, so my entire adult life has been spent around lawyers, working with lawyers, working for lawyers, writing for lawyers, basically being around lawyers every single friggin' day. And I can tell you, there isn't a single lawyer that I have ever worked with or interviewed that would ever walk into a court not anticipating every question that judge was going to ask and immediately having an answer ready to go. Not one of them. No lawyer have I ever worked with would walk into a court and a judge ask them a question and say, "I don't know, Judge. Your guess is as good as mine." That wouldn't happen. And if it did, that lawyer would no longer have a job 5 seconds later. This is a level of incompetency that, yes, we expected from this administration, but holy hell, we didn't know it was going to be this bad, right? And if these are the best lawyers that Donald Trump can find to go and defend his policies and his projects and procedures in court, then maybe the next 4 years are not going to be as bad as we thought. Because when you send dumb people in to defend the indefensible, it typically doesn't work out in your favor. But that is exactly what this administration is doing right now. Thanks for watching, everybody. And if you're not already, please subscribe to the channel. We got fresh content every day for you. And if you want to follow us across social media, make sure you check out all of the social links that we have posted in the description of this video.